Kit Bilampria. So now we are talking about multimedia and ICT. So, what is multimedia? So this multimedia is a type of medium that allows information to be easily transferred from one location to another. So, multimedia is a presentation of text, pictures, audio, and video with links and tools. We have television, radio, film, learning platform. Now, what advantage and disadvantage of multimedia? So, we have engagement and interaction, improve learning, enhance communication. Disadvantage, we have accessibility issues and distraction, technical issues. What is ICT? Means information and communication technology. So, this is technology used for handling communication, information, processing, and data management, and including computers, the internet, telecommunication, and software. Example of ICT. So, we have radio, email, and digital camera. So that's all for my discussion for this multimedia and ICT. Bye bye.